part 2 of the fidget scammer. Guys, we have to go somewhere. Let's go to the fake trading hub. I can't go back to the trading hub anymore. Let's go here. I'm so tired. I'm gonna sleep for a little while. Catch you guys later. Hey, that girl still has my fidgets. I have to go outside of the trading hub to get it, but I can't go back in anymore. Whatever, I don't care. I used all my money to get it. Let's go. Bye, trading hub. I'll miss you. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Whoa, she's sleeping. I could just take the fidgets. Hey? Hey, stop taking my fidgets. Take that. I don't care. Now, literally, go. I'm trying to rest here. You know what? Maybe I'll go. Maybe a few years later, I'll be so richer than you that you won't even have a single fidget left. Okay. See you later. Oh, that girl. Ten years later. Hey guys, I'm so rich with fidgets now. Just look at this long walkie track I have, and this thingy-majingy, and this twist ball, but it's broken. And I have 3 snappers, a black, a rainbow ball 1, rainbow ball 2. Cool, right? Let's go to that girl. I bet she's still there. Hey, Pori. Do I know you? I mean, you technically do. Remember me, the girl who scabbed me? Oh yeah, you so loser. Look how much fidgets I have. Ha ha ha. Let me see how much fidgets you have. That much? Ha ha ha. I have more than that. I don't care. I'm a rich YouTuber. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go to blah 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 Trading Hub Sucks. Okay, that's my YouTube channel name, and I have 14 subscribers. 14 subscribers. OMG, my name is way better. It's Fidget Girl 2.0, and I have over 1 million subscribers. You're so poor. I made lots of dollars, and see how much fidgets I got? More than you, weirdo. Why you gotta be so rude? I can give my fidgets to you when I want to, but here, I don't care. I'll just take my dumb things back, and I'm poorer than you now. Ugh. Wow, thank you. I didn't know you would do that. Okay, whatever. I'll be back, guys. Then, guys. Okay. You can keep the bag if you want. If you want to start another fidget collection, I bet you won't because you only have 2 fidgets. Stop bullying me. Oh, did I mean to hurt your feelings? Sorry, but bye-bye. Bye, guys. This is the end of the fidget scammer. Bye. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.